Since I started a YouTube channel a few years ago, I've inspired a lot of people, a lot of friends, colleagues, family members to do YouTube. Some of them have excelled, are doing very, very well, even better than myself, and some of them are struggling. Now, if you want to do YouTube, YouTube is a global platform available to anybody in the world, and if you do it properly, you can excel and make a living of it. Lots of people do that, and lots of people have become millionaires just being content creators. Now, what is important for you to excel are these few things that I'm gonna tell you in this video. First of all, they'll tell you, some people that choose a profitable niche and do that, finance, talking about money, things and stuff like that, stocks and things like that, or other profitable niches. But what I'm going to tell you to excel in this platform is choose what you're comfortable with, what you're happy doing. The reason I say that is because I don't want you to do it and make it feel like it's another job, that you struggle and you feel like you have to do it. Do the things you love. Personally, I love vlogging, I love editing videos, I love being on camera. It's my thing, and that's why I'm a vlogger. I do this. But you can do YouTube these days, having faceless channels and using AIs. You don't even have to show your face and excel in it. What is important is do what you love doing. That is extremely important to succeed in this YouTube platform. Next is be consistent. You know what I'm saying? Be consistent. Don't do it like you post a video today, wait another 2 weeks, post another one. You have to do it every day. Think about it as a business. That's what I'm trying to say. If you're running a business, you don't open a shop today, close the next day, wait another 3 days before you open. That's what I'm trying to say. It's exactly like running a business. So what you have to do is be consistent. Post. Don't worry if people are viewing your videos or nothing. Every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers, 0 likes, 0 everything, and slowly you gain momentum. All top YouTubers started the same way. So don't worry so much if you're not getting the views and you get discouraged. Just keep on posting. Post. Even if you get 2 views, 2 subscribers, those are enough to get you going to the next. Then you get 5, you get 6, and it continues like that. So consistency is key to succeed in this game. All right. And number 3, also very, very important in this field, is to provide value for people. So other people, for example, doing entertainment videos, think about themselves so much that whenever they're posting, all they're thinking about is how they look, how they do stuff, what makes them feel good. Listen, you're doing a business here. Your purpose is to serve people. All right? Give value. That is very, very important. Give value to people. Why would someone choose your video over millions of other videos to watch? All right? Everyone wants something when they are watching videos or when they are doing whatever they want. They ask you, what is in it for me? What is in it for me? What do I gain from watching your videos? Okay, if you're entertaining, that's still providing a value to the people here. All right? So do it in a way that you know that you're doing it for the customer and not for you. All right? Your viewers, those are your customers. Those are the people that will share your videos. Those are the people that will comment on your videos. Those are the people that will like your videos. So if they don't like it, they don't comment, they don't share, obviously YouTube will know that your videos does not appeal to many people, and then they will not promote it more to reach further, bigger audience. So That is extremely important. Those first three things. Number one, choose a niche that you're comfortable with, that you're happy doing. If you are, for example, into yoga, you're a yoga teacher, you like training, or you're a teacher, English teacher, you can teach English, or you're a footballer, you can coach footballing, show your skills and teach, because you're doing something you love, and that will not make you feel as though, oh, it's another day, I've got to go and do that. All right, then choosing be consistent, post every day, post. Don't worry about if people are watching or not, just keep on doing. The numbers will stack up later. YouTube is a long thing, it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. So if you're in it for a quick gain, a quick sprint, you know what I'm saying, it's not something that you want to do. You need to be patient and do it slowly, day after day, work on it, you know what I mean, and that's how you succeed. It can take years and years and years, and you don't succeed. I mean, while you're doing it, you're succeeding anyway. What I'm trying to say is, it's so noisy here. It can take years, and then all of a sudden, boom, even a video that you did a year ago explodes, becomes really, really popular. So you don't worry about that. Don't delete your old videos. Don't keep on adjusting the videos after you've uploaded. I mean, some people will tell you change the thumbnail, change the title, or things like that. But when you change that, then YouTube start thinking differently about that particular video. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it can be damaging to your video. So once you post, do not go ahead to keep on changing things. Leave it as it is. You never know, sometimes a video that's been done a year ago can be the one to, like, overnight hit millions of views and subscribers. So just be patient with it. So to me, those are just the top three things that you need to do. Choose a niche that you're comfortable with, be consistent, and provide value. Do it like you're doing a business, like you're running it to help people, make people find value, give people a reason to come back to your channel, give people a reason to share it, give people a reason to be happy, to smile about something, solve people's problems. That is super important. Solve people's problems. Everyone wants to be entertained, everyone wants to find solutions. YouTube is like another version of Google. So people actually, instead of Googling things, they can watch your videos and learn how to do something properly, how to solve their computer problems, how to fix machines, how to do this and that. So provide value and you will succeed. To me, those are just the top three things to consider in 2026 if you're starting a YouTube channel. And it's so easy to start. A lot of people still ask me, how can I start YouTube channel and things like that. It's so easy to start. I'm not going to go into details of that. Maybe one day I'll talk about how to start, but it's super easy. This is my neighborhood. I'm just walking around Clapton, Hackney, Upper Clapton in particular. It's rainy, and this is how it looks like right now. It's just come to February, and the weather is still not nice. It's super cold today, and I don't want to keep on talking much. It's raining and it's probably gonna damage my camera, so I'm gonna end this here. Have a lovely day and good luck with your YouTube channel. Bye bye.